Hi, I'm Rick Orr, CEO and co-founder of RealSavvy. RealSavvy is an all-in-one platform that combines websites, beautiful native mobile apps, a collaborative style of collections-based, communication around our CRM and IDX, and a really rich set of APIs. Our objective is to make it easier for you or for our clients, agents, brokers, and teams to work with their clients. We'd love to set up a demo and show you more, but let me give you a brief background on kind of how we started and what the product's capable of. First, again, 20-year realtor broker. I found that it was very challenging to deal with today's consumer who perhaps the husband was using Zillow and the wife is using Redfin. I would do my best to organize 15 listings for Saturday, and inevitably 5 of them, neither of them wanted to see by the time we showed up, but I didn't know that. So I wasted time. They got frustrated. Erosion of trust, some of the things that we all know are plaguing the industry. You deserve a platform that lets you sever the relationship and the dependency on portals like Zillow and Redfin, keeping consumers, converting consumers on your own platform. Our model is built to convert. Take people from lead to client to paid is our mantra, and our platform is really built to do that. The other key challenge I found was that I have a list of 12,000 people in my database. How am I to know who to talk to on any given day? RealSavvy's platform, because we're the apps, because we're the web, because we're also the CRM, we can help you understand through data-driven notifications, very simple call to action, who is the most likely to purchase, who is doing the most searching and liking things, and who is waning and dropping off of their search activity because they're not liking things. We've packaged, again, website, native mobile apps, all with your brand, customizable, with our unique flavor of collaborative search connected to your MLS, with a predictive style of CRM to help you figure out who to contact, and an array of APIs and integrations to connect with whatever else you've already bought. Put simply, we're not your mama's all-in-one platform. We are uniquely capable of generating more activity, more conversion-driving events by having husband and wife searching with you through our collection system, through our collaborative IDX, we like to call it, and our predictive CRM. Let me show you a little bit of our work. On the front end, the website can be most anything that you'd like within the realm of our theme. So this is a theme where agents can promote their current listings, can feature their former listings, can give quick search options to different lakes or neighborhoods, and of course, download the fully branded app. With contact options for lead capture, gradient-based lead capture, force registration from the IDX, all available through the platform that you can edit yourself. You don't need a WordPress developer. This isn't built on WordPress. This was built proprietary for this industry by 20 years of real estate experience to solve real problems of capturing leads, of being able to show up on page 1 of SEO. If you search common terms in markets like Austin, Austin real estate agent, RealSavvy customers are on page 1 with organic search, saving you tons of money generating those expensive leads and then putting them into our conversion engine. We also work with teams and brokers who may have multiple market needs, multiple neighborhood needs, the ability to search in one place and expand the brand power that you've built to others, moving from Austin to Dallas, all rich experience along the way, video, contact information, coded links for agents, so that anything you share or your team shares will end up in the database of that agent. The next key piece is the IDX. So another of our websites, multi-market website, integrated real-time chat, but logged in here as an agent, I can quickly find the right stuff for my clients. Quick searches for neighborhoods with the perfect bounding boxes. The ability, if maybe this road is too loud, to draw a bounding box that's a little bit away from a noisy road, but still in the right school district. And then you just get rid of that original neighborhood boundary and you're left with the perfect polygon. Multiple polygon support in case you want to get a few more streets across the highway here, or even a few more parts of the nearby neighborhoods that, again, report to the same, feed into the same school district. So these are the ways that you can use the platform to create the perfect search. You and your buyers can create the same safe search, invite people to the search. I'll create a quick search, Terry plus search. So things around there, I'm going to set it to instant. We update as rapidly as every 5 minutes in most key markets. And then, as I mentioned, I can invite others to this search. So I'm going to invite myself and a couple of other people. So that's how safe searches work on the platform. One of the really exciting features of the platform is this collection style of collaboration. Mind you, all this activity is being collected in the RealSavvy CRM. Importantly, the conversations that you're about to see that you're going to have with your clients is being collected. So I'm going to pick a few homes and I'm going to create a new board. I'm going to call this board, let's say our clients' names are the Hewitt's Favorites Collection. And so I'm going to create a board with this Pecos home. I'm going to pick this one over here on Stevenson. I'm going to go find that Hewitt's board again. And I'll pick, let's just for good measure, grab Pleasant Run as well. Again, we find the Hewitt's board. And so I'm creating a collection of homes for my clients so that I can come here, see a list of collections that I've created or my clients have created over time. And then again, invite people to the board. So let's say it was Chris at RealSavvy.com. And maybe Tony are the people I want to share this with. Collaboration works in a way that is intended to solve that problem I mentioned before, where you have people, co-buyers, husband, wife, husband, wife, whatever the relationship, lenders, roommates, investor groups, LLC of 5 people. You can put them all in one place where they all collect from wherever. They can collect from a safe search you set up for them, from just going to the MLS directly, going to your IDX directly, from the mobile app, the branded mobile app that you can offer them. And you can talk in this sort of virtual room about the different properties, knowing that everyone on the board is about to get a text message with a link that'll pull them right back into the conversation. What do you think about this one, guys? Right? And so in this case, Tony and Chris just got a text message. They can respond. I can leave a message to say, let's set up time for Saturday. And then if I am the agent organizing the viewings, maybe I'll say, scheduled for 2. So now that I'm communicating to everyone what we're going to go see, they can take this through our app into the showing and take all their notes in one place, all going back, of course, to the RealSavvy CRM. That's what this looks like. You can see who's online right now. You can see the homes and the properties that they're viewing in real time. And this is how you'll know better what to say whenever you need to follow up with them. You can move people through the funnel. You can set them over to client instead of lead. You can add notes. Dog is named Ruby. And this is the way that our CRM helps you stay organized, as all CRMs could do, but importantly, understand who to contact when, who is trending towards a purchase, who has gone quiet. How do you organize yourself around that? And how do you keep up with today's buyer who deserves a Zillow or a Redfin-like experience, but with your brand? That's what RealSavvy does. We would love to share with you more. Our contact information is here, www.realsavvy.com, or just email demo@realsavvy.com, and we'll put you in touch with one of our talented account reps. Look forward to speaking to you. Know that we exist. We are 20 years plus of real estate experience focused on making it easier for you to work with your clients. Thank you.